Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prachi Tyagi. I'm speaking from AV Physiotherapy Clinic, Noida, Sector 12. So our today's topic of discussion will be cubital tunnel syndrome. So have you ever listened about cubital tunnel syndrome? So do you feel tingling or numbness in your little finger or your ring finger? If yes, then you are also the person who is suffering from cubital tunnel syndrome. So, what do you understand by cubital tunnel syndrome? Basically, cubital tunnel syndrome is nothing but an ulnar nerve entrapment. So, ulnar nerve entrapment, what is it? It is the excessive pressure or excessive stretching you have done of the ulnar nerve due to which the ulnar nerve got irritated, swell up, or it's impinged within the between the bone in the elbow. So this condition, it's just not about the muscle or the bone, it's about the nerve impingement. So if we talk about the causes of cubital tunnel syndrome, then there are multiple causes. Like there are causes as well, but we can also say that some cubital tunnel syndrome are causeless, like they don't have any cause. So if we discuss about the causes, then one of the causes is arthritis, bone spur, which irritate the ulnar nerve and it causes the ulnar nerve impingement. Rather than this, if a person leans on their elbow the continuous long time, then it can also cause ulnar nerve impingement. Or if a person is sitting like this for a long time, then also there is an irritation here which causes an ulnar nerve impingement because ulnar nerve was irritated due to that repetitive movement or repetitive pressure on that particular part which irritates the nerve. So now let's discuss about symptoms of cubital tunnel syndrome. So the main symptom of cubital tunnel syndrome is numbness and tingling sensation in your little finger and ring finger. So this symptom is the main symptom of this condition. This symptom might affect your sleep at night as well. Okay, so this is like the worsened stage of this condition. Also, your movements, your gripping movements are affected. Like this is the object which I am gripping. So your gripping movements also get affected with this condition. Or you might suffer from a lot of pain at night, which is a deep aching pain, like tingling pain. So these are the symptoms of cubital tunnel syndrome. So if you are also suffering from numbness, tingling sensation or pain in your little finger and ring finger, then do visit our clinic at EB Physiotherapy Clinic, Noida. Thank you.